500.
It's your boy, Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like, yeah, 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. The Dow Jones has just hit a new all-time high. Let me say that to you one more time. The Dow Jones has just closed at an all-time record high. Let that sink in. We have also broke the record that we had set forth for ourselves. Today is a monster day inside of True Trading Group. I'm going to get into all of it today. I'm going to get into all of it on this live stream. We'll talk about the stock market rally. We'll talk about what's going on. Is the NASDAQ and the S&P going to follow suit with a new all-time high and follow in the footsteps of the Dow? We're going to discuss it all for you guys right here today and cover some of the top trades of the day for us inside True Trading Group. 8 triple-digit gains inside of chat today. I did not study your internet connections just fine. You heard that correctly. 8 triple-digit gain trades closed out today inside of True Trading Group. Folks, my name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the head trader and co-founder of True Trading Group. If you don't know, we are a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool, and we are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university-level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and provide individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto. We also have a futures program. We do day trading, swing trading, and even long-term investing. There is literally something for everybody inside of True Trading Group. You see, we take that university level of curriculum and we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. We combine that with that curriculum to give you guys the tools you need, the resources you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful. These tools include things like Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading. The simulator lets you practice trading with fake money, TradingView's charting system, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, the trade idea scanner, and so much more I'll talk about later. Yes, you get our courses. Yes, you get our trade alerts, but you'll also get all of these things. We set you up with every single thing you need to have the best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. And you also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you were ever going to find. Not to mention the real-time trade alerts and moderators and myself that I've been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%, and going on roughly the last 4 years. Why did you listen to anything that this guy in a Yankee hat has to say? It's because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job out of college, where they made me go through an educational training program before they let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the stock market crash and the Great Recession. But it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries. We truly are a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here on this channel. Myself and other TTG Pro Trading mods and special guests who drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you guys all become better traders and simply just make money. That's the goal. So if you have not yet done so, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. B. John, congratulations. B. John's entire account today increased 134%. 134%. Billy R says, this is the best day that I have ever had and just joined Uni's bootcamp. Awesome day for Memphis Street Doc. Guys, I cannot begin to stress to the people that are on this live stream that are still sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the right moment, waiting for the right time. This market is leaving without you. Maria Ramon says, this week has been my best week ever. If you are still waiting on the sidelines for the right moment, I want you to take a second to step back and ask yourself, how has that plan been going for you so far? Truth and Discernment says, I made an entire month's salary in just 2 hours. Thank you, TTG, for the education. Guys, these are just comments coming through from members. Okay. Douglas Karan has never had so much profit in a single day. Scratch this, got a 300% gain today on SPY call options. This is from members. These are people that are commenting here in chat. Today was a record-setting day for us inside True Trading Group. Not only was it a record-setting day, okay, not only is it a record, account is, look at this, Lena 44, my account is up another 40% today. Bald Eagle got a 451% gain today. Today was a record-setting day. 200% gain on Palo Alto calls, solo with the TTG education. Way to go, Peter Parker. Now, I told you guys a couple of days ago that I was setting out a pretty ambitious goal for the moderators at True Trading Group. Now, like I said, there's 9 professional traders that are with you each and every single trading day. Some trade stocks, some trade options, some day trade, some swing trade, some trade futures. Okay, there's a little bit of crypto action in there as well sometimes, day trades and swing trades. But they're all with you from pre-market all the way through into the close. We're not gone after an hour or two and then you're just left to fend for yourself. We're with you for the entire day. And I had set out some pretty ambitious goals for us over the last 2 months. You see, in October, we set a personal record for us inside True Trading Group, which was 20 triple-digit gains alerted, traded, and capitalized inside True Trading Group in the month of October. That was a personal best for us as a group. Then in the month of November, we beat that record by 8. We had 28 triple-digit gains in the month of November. That was a personal best for us inside of True Trading Group as a community. Then I said after that I was going to take it one step further and that my goal was to reach 63 triple-digit gains before the year is over for the fourth quarter. We had 20 in October. We had 28 in November. And I want 63 because there's 63 trading days in the quarter. So if we did 63 triple-digit gains between October, November, December, which we had already done 48 from October and November, that is one triple-digit gain per day for the quarter. Well, folks, here we are on December 13th with still 2 weeks to go, and we have done it. Not only have we done it, but we have surpassed it. 65 triple-digit gains traded, alerted, capitalized on inside of the True Trading Group community between October, November, and December. This has literally been a life-changing quarter for a lot of members of True Trading Group. There's 11 trading days left, and we have already surpassed that 63 target, sitting here today at 65. Today was one of the craziest days that I've ever seen inside of True Trading Group, because we started the day with 2 triple-digit gains to the downside. Okay. Both of them were actually on Tesla. One of them was a swing trade, put options that were bought on Tesla yesterday. Those ended up being a triple-digit gain today. But then there was also another trade executed by myself, which was a day trade on Tesla to the short side that also ended up being a 100% gain. So there was a swing trade alerted by Shai, one of our other mods yesterday, that ended up being over 100% gain today. A day trade alerted by me, over 100% gain today. And then you also had Uni, another one of our moderators, who's actually hosting a 2-day intensive boot camp coming up in the month of February that a lot of members are very excited about inside of True Trading Group, and rightfully so. She came out today and had six triple-digit gains executed today to bring that total to 8 on the day. This is 8 triple-digit gains in one day. I honestly can tell you that I cannot remember a day where that has ever happened before inside of True Trading Group. I have been telling you that the moderators and I are firing on all cylinders, that the moderators are absolutely on fire, that this is some of the best trading that I've ever seen in my entire life. I am not exaggerating to you when I say this. This is not some silly little sales tactic that I'm just telling you, oh, this is some of the best trading I've ever seen. This literally is the best trading that I have ever seen by any group of traders ever. And I worked on Wall Street. I worked on a trading floor. I worked at a fund that had $450 million under management. I've seen the cream of the crop and the best of the best. And I'm telling you that this stretch that we have been seeing in the fourth quarter inside True Trading Group, I would put that performance up against anybody. It's some of the best trading that I've ever seen. I've been doing this for over 17 years. I've been through bull markets. I've been through bear markets. I've been through sideways markets. I've been through recessions. I've been through economic expansions. I've been through it all. Nothing tops what I am seeing. Nothing. I don't want you to just take my word for this. You shouldn't just be taking my word for this, honestly. Because it doesn't even sound believable. I understand how crazy it sounds. I really do. I understand how crazy it sounds. It's like the person that goes golfing by themselves and they finally get a hole in one. They tell all their friends. Their friends don't believe them. It's hard to believe if you're not there. It's hard to believe if you're not there to see it. You need witnesses, right? You need witnesses. Someone tells you they saw a ghost. Do you believe them? No, you need witnesses. And I'm sure that anyone that's watching this YouTube video right now is probably like, dude, you're so full of crap. You need witnesses, don't you? I get it. Lucky for you, I have about 10,000 of them. Members of True Trading Group that are watching this live stream right now, if you are a member of True Trading Group, I would like for you to type the number 1 in chat right now. If I am telling the truth and you are making money from these alerts and from True Trading Group, I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now. If I am telling the truth and you are making money with True Trading Group because of it. Anyone that's watching this live stream, I don't know what else I can do to prove to you that you are missing out on some of the greatest money-making opportunities that a market has ever provided, other than show you what members are actually accomplishing and what members are able to do. Count how many people are telling you that they're making money and that I'm telling you the truth. These people are your peers. These people are your friends. They are family members. They are coworkers. If they can do it, then why can't you? These people have busy lives. They have busy schedules. They have full-time jobs. 82% of our members work over 40 hours a week. The rest of them are full-time traders or retired. Roxanne has a 30% gain on her entire account today. Ray had his best day ever today. The long-term portfolio, the stocks that we have added in our long-term portfolio last year. Look at what these stocks have done. If you've been a member of True Trading, like I said, it's not just about day trading and swing trading, but we also tell you whenever the moderators are doing anything in their long-term portfolio, folks, I will put our long-term portfolio performance up against any hedge fund manager on Wall Street right now. You take a look at some of the stocks that we bought last year. NVIDIA, Broadcom, what? Look at this. Look at these moves. Broadcom, Meta, Palo Alto, Microsoft, AMD, Salesforce, right? Like you just take a look at what some of these stocks have done. We bought these stocks last year. I cannot believe that I am sitting here today on December 13th saying that the Dow Jones just hit a new all-time record high. I honestly can't believe that I'm saying that. I can't believe that the market did what it did today. I can't believe that the Fed said what they said today, but it happened. And if you are still sitting on the sidelines, you are missing it. I'll tell you straight out, I did not think that this was going to happen over these last couple of days. If you've been watching my YouTube channel, I told you 2 weeks ago, I'm like, I think the market pulls back off this level, then we move higher. That was exactly what I said to people. I literally said, I have no problem saying it, right? I literally said, I think we're going to pull back off this level first, and then I think we're going to rally into the end of the year. Well, there was no pullback. We're just rallying. And a lot of that has to do with the rally that you're seeing today is from what happened with the Fed. And what the Fed did today was completely change their tone. They've changed everything. The Fed changed their inflation outlook. They changed their rate outlook. They changed their growth outlook. They changed everything. You now have the market pricing in a 60% chance of a rate cut in March and a 90% rate cut in May. I can't believe that we're sitting here saying that we're a stone throw from all-time highs. Guys, the SPY is less than 10 points away from an all-time high. The SPY, let me say it to you again, is less than 10 points away in the to an all-time high. Less than 10 points. The Dow is already at an all-time high. I'll pull up the diamonds for you. There, new all-time high. What? Look at the NASDAQ. Almost new all-time high. Look where we are. Are you kidding me? Remember all the doomsdayers? Remember all the people that literally right here, it was literally right here when everybody said it's a Lehman Brothers moment, that everybody said the hell with a recession, it's going to be a depression. You guys remember that? You probably saw YouTube videos, people telling you that the world's going to end. You probably saw people on Twitter. You probably saw people on Reddit telling you that the world was going to end. And what were we doing inside of True Trading Group throughout this entire time frame? What did we do inside of True Trading Group right there? What did we do? We were buying. We were buying because that is what informed and educated investors and traders do when everybody else is calling for the end of the world. Educated and experienced traders and investors know that that is when the opportunity exists. The best times to buy are the times that feel the worst. And that is exactly what we did. And we are being rewarded for it handsomely right now as the Dow makes a new all-time high. And we are sitting here a stone throw from highs on the NASDAQ and from the S&P. I challenged to trade options for the first time in my life, and I got paid for my lifetime membership. Big thanks to True Trading Group. Hell yes. Congratulations on that one. Heike Kim. Ernesto says, I'm in my 4th year with True Trading Group. I am very much satisfied in making money. Ray says, it was nuts today. I left work early. I'm taking my boys out. Thanks to True Trading Group. People, you guys need to join. My long-term portfolio. Wow. Look at this. Ryan Levin's long-term portfolio was $123,000 2 years ago. Today, $235,000. Ryan Levin's, congratulations. Congratulations. Gary Garcia says, I said it in chat and I'll say it again. That Tesla analysis this morning was spot on, Mike. Thank you again. My absolute pleasure. Yes, Luis Garcia. Music to my ears, brother. Luis, I was actually thinking about you today. Luis and I actually just did a one-on-one just a couple days ago. Luis says, Mike, thank you for your mentorship. I got my confidence back, baby. Yes, Luis. That's all it was, brother. It was just a confidence issue, man. You know exactly what you're doing. Mitesh Patel says, I traded the whole day while I was working with patience. TTG is the answer. Guys, I don't know what else. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to show you. Did we really, Adam? Can I make that announcement? Not yet. All right, I just got some pretty cool news from Adam. All right. I'm not going to share. It's not something that we're not going to announce it yet. Not going to announce it yet. Nick Knack got online today at 1:30 and grew their futures account by 33%. Trader by blood, not relation, used to be the biggest loser, but today they have upped their account by 50%.
I really wish that he wouldn't refer to himself like that.
He
is. That man is the farthest thing from a loser, and he wasn't a loser before. And honestly, making money in the stock market doesn't make you a loser or a winner as a person, anyways. And he's a damn good person.
Agreed.
So
Agreed.
I don't.
Agreed. Steak dinners all around tonight. Yeah, I'm cracking open the Macallan 18 tonight. Tonight's going to be in Macallan 18. I'm going to go sit out by the fireplace and smoke a Padron. It's definitely that type of night, and I'm just so happy to see the milestones that are being reached by members and moderators alike inside of True Trading Group. It's some of the best trading that I've ever seen in my entire life, and I'm just happy to say that I'm just happy to be a part of this group of traders. And like I said, there's 10,000 of us from 115 different countries. You are led by 9 professional traders during each and every single trading day. But let me tell you something. Aside from the 9 moderators, there are amazing traders that are members of True Trading Group. Amazing. I'd like to see how many people are on this live stream right now that are not members of True Trading Group. I'm curious if you guys can just type the letters TTG. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Fed meeting. I'm going to talk to you about Jerome Powell. I'm going to talk to you about all of these things. But I would love to see how many people are on the live first that are not members of True Trading Group. Just go ahead and type the letters TTG so I can see how many people that we have here that are not part of the community, so I know exactly who I'm talking to and I can tailor the content accordingly. So just don't be shy, guys. I mean, just go ahead. Just type TTG if you're not a member of the group yet. You have Adam, Boris, Wisdom, Ronald. Jesse, Sir Marv, L Ray, Deborah. Okay. Just listen to me for a moment. Okay. Mr. Slow Tune. Just guys, just listen. Honestly, like I'm talking to you so straight up and honest right now. I'm not trying to feed you a load of crap. I want to show you something. Members, now we have members of True Trading Group that are on this live stream. If you could say one thing to the people that just typed TTG, if you can say one thing to them, members of True Trading Group, what would it be? Say it now. Type it in chat right now. My members. If you can say one thing to these people, I want you to type it right now inside chat. Every person that just typed TTG, I want you to read some of the comments you're about to see from members of True Trading Group. Don't listen to me anymore. I just want you to read what some of the comments are coming from members. People that are part of our program, people that receive the trade alerts and the guidance from the moderators of True Trading Group on a daily basis. People that are learning an actual real curriculum, which is similar to the version of the training that I received when I worked on Wall Street at the fund in New York. I want you to read these comments. And I want you to really start thinking for yourself, what is possible for you? Have you gotten to a point of success in the markets that you want to be, or have you fallen short? And if you have fallen short, why? Why have you fallen short? Is it because you feel like you don't have enough time, you don't have enough money, you don't have enough experience, you're just not lucky? Is it because you were scammed by some other group, or you're part of some Discord, or maybe you're diamond handing something that you read about on Reddit, and you're missing out on where all the real money is being made, and you're missing out on where the real market players are? Why have you not gotten to that point yet? Because the people that you're seeing, that you're getting these comments from, that are telling you, they're talking to you directly. They've all been there. They've all been there. I'm being serious. The people that type TTG, read these comments, please. Day off, doing yard work, listening to TTG with my AirPods, and I was able to profit following the analysis of the mods. There you go. All you need is a cell phone. You don't have to be, you guys get real, you don't have to be sitting in front of your computer screen all day, every day. All you need is a cell phone. We have a mobile app. You can download the mobile app. You'll be connected to our chat room for the whole day. You can listen to the audio analysis. The moderators and I talk to you on the microphone throughout the day. So you can just listen to what we're saying. And you get real-time push notifications that come through like a news alert whenever one of our moderators enters or exits one of their positions. So you can just be sitting there and say to yourself, I made 63% today. Says, okay, 63% today. I would never have done it without TTG. That's from Aga Fox. Incredible. You can just be sitting there at work or whatever, and you get a notification on your phone that says, oh, they just bought call options on AMD. Okay, you log into your phone on your Robinhood or your Webull or your Thinkorswim. You buy some call options. You set a stop loss. You put your phone down. You go back to work. You get a notification maybe 4 hours later or the next day that says, oh, they took profit. Log in, take profit, adjust your stop loss, put your phone back down. You guys you don't have to be in front of your computer screen. That's not the type of traders that we are. And here's the other thing that I will say to you. The people that type TTG, I'm talking to you straight from like eye to eye here. I know that some people might still be skeptical because of prior experiences that you've been through. And I understand the skepticism. I understand the hesitation. That's why I offer you a double your money back guarantee. I believe so strongly in the platform that we have created that when you join True Trading Group, if you're not able to make enough winning trades to equal what you pay for your membership at least one time during your year membership, we give you back double your money. I'm not just giving you back your money. We give you back double your money for wasting your time. And the only reason why I'm able to do that is because the refund rate at True Trading Group amongst our members, it's less than 2.5%. And our retention rate, meaning when members join and they stay, is 78%. That's why I can offer double your money back. Now, we started our holiday sale, okay? We started our holiday sale. The way our holiday sale works, we believe that people that act sooner should be rewarded. So the price of our membership is going up every day until we get to the end of the year. It will not be cheaper on Christmas. It will not be cheaper on New Year's. This is how we do the holiday sale. We drop it down and it goes up a couple of bucks each day because we think the people that act first should be rewarded. They get a cheaper price. What I want every single person to do that's not a member is I would like you to do the following. Open a web browser, go to ttgoffer.com. Every single thing you see on that page is included when you join our membership. Now, when you get to that page, the price is going to say $2,212. That's what it's going to say. Okay. Use this coupon code. You're here. I'm giving the code for the holiday sale. The code is TTG121. You must manually enter the coupon code, then click apply code. The price will drop down to just $1,067 for the entire year. And everything you see on that page is included. That's less than $89 a month. It's less than $3 a day. $1,067 for the entire year. No upsell or additional cost for anything you see on that page. You will also notice that there is an image of a laptop in the checkout cart. Okay. The next 10 people to join True Trading Group will get themselves a brand new free Windows 11, Microsoft 365 laptop for free. It's part of our holiday sale. There's the laptop. It's the exact laptop you're going to get. There's Windows 11, Microsoft 365. You can use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay, put the money back in your account, or give it away as a holiday gift. I don't care. It's our gift to you for joining True Trading Group. It's free. Okay. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 countries. I assure you, as long as you live on Earth, we will get you that free laptop. All you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com, manually enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down 51% off to $1,067 for the whole year. Then you have the double your money back guarantee that I spoke of. It's very simple how it works. I believe so strongly in the platform that we've created and its ability to help you become successful that we gave a double your money back guarantee. It is on our website right there in black and white. Go read it. That says the following. When you join TTG, you'll pay $1,067. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. If you do those things, you have all year to do them. You don't have to do them all within like 30 days. You have the entire year. Do it at your own pace. If you do that and are not able to make enough winning trades to equal the $1,067 membership fee that you're paying, you can't make that back at least one time during your membership. We will give you back $2,134. That is double the $1,067 that you're paying to join. And you can keep the free laptop. Now, I can do this because I honestly don't think you need the double your money back guarantee, considering our refund rate is less than 2.5%. If our refund rate was 10% or 15%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. We would go out of business. And True Trading Group is a business. You're not a charity. You're going to pay for a service. We're going to provide a service. You want to be able to hold us accountable. And this is how we do it, by offering you this double your money back guarantee. If you have any questions at all about the membership or about the platform or the program or anything, do not hesitate to send us a text message. We're fully transparent. We are an open book. 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is 1-888-306-8783. 888-306-8783. Text that number if you have any questions at all about the membership. You can also text that number if you used to be a member, used to be a trial, or are currently a trial, because we have to whitelist your email address in order for you to get that discount. That 1067 is going to include our entire 22 course curriculum. It's a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's the Benzinga Pro newsfeed. There's congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading to track trades by management, Trading Views premium charting software, a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money but real-time data, the Trade Idea scanner so you can focus on the best stocks during the day, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner. All of this is included. All of our AI trading tools, all of this is included for the 1067. You do not need to pay $1 extra for anything you see on that page. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Use the coupon code TTG121. And for God's sake, get your ass in chat. 65 triple-digit gains in the fourth quarter. There's still 11 trading days left. That's more than a triple-digit gain per day in the fourth quarter. You need witnesses to believe the things that I am saying. I know it sounds crazy. I know you're probably thinking there's absolutely no way in hell that these guys have had 65 triple-digit gains in 2.5 months, and they give a double your money back guarantee, and they give a laptop. There's no way. Yes way. Members, true or false? Just type true or false. Members. If I'm telling the truth, type true. If I'm lying at all about anything, type false. And anybody that has any shadow of a doubt, I want you to pay attention. I want you to see how many people you see say the word false. Not one. If you have any questions, we're an open book. We're fully transparent. Just text us. 1-888-306-8783. Think about, now we've had 65 triple-digit gains. You're not going to catch every single one of them, right? Let's be realistic. You're not going to get 60. You're not going to get all 65. And the moderators didn't get all 65. Okay. Swing Surgeon says, I tripled my account in that span. Tripled his account. That's insane. Don't take my word for it. Listen to members. Think about, even if you caught a couple of those 65, even if you caught 2 of them, would that have made your life a little bit less stressful right now with the holidays? Even if you caught 2? Think about it. We still got 11 days to go. Forget about this new year, new me nonsense. Forget about it. All you need to do is join True Trading Group right now and actually prepare yourself for next year. Because even if you're not able to accomplish very much over the next 11 days, you know, maybe you're busy, you're hosting the holidays, or maybe you have to travel or whatever it is, right? At least you're going to set the groundwork and you're going to build the foundation to go into 2024 and explode out of the gates. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. If you have any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. Phone number is right down there at the bottom of the screen. Let's talk about what happened today. All right. Let's talk about what happened today. Markets exploded. Okay. Markets absolutely exploded today. And why? You actually got a dovish report from Jerome Powell. The expectation today was that Jerome Powell was going to keep rates unchanged, but then he was going to be hawkish. Everybody thought that, right? But we talked about on the live stream yesterday that I just don't really think there's anything that's going to change the sentiment right now. Now that we've broken through that resistance, I'm like, I just don't think there's any resistance until you get to 472, 473. That's what I said to you guys yesterday on the live stream. So if you went back and you were watching yesterday's live, I said, now that we're through this level, target for me is 472, 473. Well, we got to 471 today, and maybe by tomorrow we'll be at that 472, 473. I think it's probably, pretty, maybe even likely that you print that number by tomorrow. But the thing that was different today is that the report wasn't hawkish at all. Jerome Powell wasn't hawkish at all. He was dovish. So what the Fed ended up doing was the Fed lowered their inflation target. They dropped their inflation target. Their expectations on where they believed core PCE inflation was going to be, they dropped it from, I think it was 3.7 to 3.2 this year. So they're saying that by the end of the year, they think core PCE is going to be 3.2. Prior to this, they thought it was going to be 3.7. That is a big, that's 50 basis points lower. That's significant. It's very significant. There's only 2 weeks left in the year. So that's a very significant move by the Fed. You want to know what else the Fed did? They moved their Fed funds target for next year. It was 5.1. They dropped it to 4.6. So what that means is that the Fed is anticipating an additional 50 basis points of rate cuts next year than they were prior to this meeting. Dovish. It's all dovish. The dot plot moved. The dot plot is where all of the people, all the members of the Fed, okay, the dot plot is where they think rates are going to be. That moved down. Everything moved in the right direction. That's why the markets moved higher. So once that report came out, we said to members into your trading group, guys, this is a dovish report. There is no way that Jerome Powell can come out during his press conference at 2:30. The report's issued at 2 o'clock. He speaks at 2:30. And we're like, there's no way that Jerome Powell can come out and be hawkish after this report. This report is extremely dovish. There's no way he can be hawkish after coming out with a report like this. It's not possible. And sure enough, he came out with his speech and he was dovish. And the market continued higher. Right? This initial green candle, this is when the report actually was published at 2 o'clock. And then 2:30 right there is when he actually started speaking. And you can see the markets continued higher once he started speaking. It's because this is a dovish report. And that just sent stocks flying to the upside. And that's when all these triple-digit gains started to get ripped off the table. Right? Apple, triple-digit gain, ripped off the table. Carvana, triple-digit gain, ripped off the table. CLF, triple-digit gain, ripped off the table. Sunrun, triple-digit gain, ripped off the table. I can't even keep track of what the triple-digit gains were here today. There were 8 of them. 8 of them in total by the moderators in True Trading Group. So lowering your Fed funds target, lowering your inflation expectation, it doesn't get much better than that. And they bumped their unemployment rate expectation to 4.1. 4.1? That's nothing. The 20-year average is 5. 4.1? We were 3.9 last month. This month, we got a read of 3.7. So you're telling me your expectation next year is 4.1? That's nothing. That's soft landing, guys. And they said they expect growth, GDP, to be 1.4. That's what a soft landing looks like. Soft landing looks like 1.4% GDP and a 4.1% unemployment rate. That is a soft landing. This is why the markets are rallying to the upside. Daddy Trades had 5 100% gainers. All thanks to the TTG education. 5. This is what is real. This is what's actually possible. So these moves and a lot of these like Sunrun, Apple, Carvana, I mean, these were just straight up after the announcement, right? So these were straight up after the announcement, just, Uni holding on to these long positions, just ripping profits off the table as the markets exploded and these stocks exploded. And listen, these are interest rate sensitive stocks. Carvana, Sunrun, these solar stocks, they're interest rate sensitive names. Okay, way to go, Dino. Dino had one of his own separate 100% gains, all thanks to the TTG education. Jay Haynes got a 500% gain on the AG calls. Bruce Sears got 100% on my Tesla trade. Congratulations. Congrats. Yeah, my Tesla, I'll cover my Tesla trade with you guys. My Tesla trade today, I'll just show you. We caught this entire move today. All right, that entire move today was good for 100% gain. And this was the Friday expiration, $232.50 strike put option. And I'll just recap for you guys. This is a great setup. Let me see. C Trader had 320% on AMD. Bo also nice. Great job, guys. So what we were looking at here today on Tesla, Tesla's a stock that's been weak over the last couple of weeks. And it's been weak. And today you had news that there was a recall on 2 million vehicles for a software update. So you then got the catalyst for the markets for the stock to move lower. And we jumped all over that short early today. We got to welcome Jeremiah. Jeremiah is the newest member of the group, guys, which means we're down to 9 of those laptops. Jeremiah, welcome to the group, brother. You're not going to regret it. Welcome to the group. So there's 9 laptops left, guys. All you need to do, again, go to ttgoffer.com. And as long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know that you're going to be getting one. Again, watch out for a welcome email after you join, because after you join, you're going to receive a welcome email that's going to give you instructions on how to claim that free laptop. Mufasa got a 200% gain today on Unity and 150% gain today on CLF, and he's still holding some. Congratulations. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. So Jeremiah, welcome. Welcome to the group. Guys, again, if you have any questions at all, text us. 1-888-306-8783. Just text us if you guys have any questions about anything. All right. All right. So back to this Tesla trade. So what I want to show you guys with this Tesla trade, this is the trade. This is the 100% game that I traded today. But like I said, we had 8 in total today amongst all the moderators. So what I want to show you with this is a support level here at 234. Now 234 was yesterday's lows, right? So you guys can see here, this is yesterday, right? You can see yesterday we had a nice support level here, right? Pretty simple. Support. We all see that, right? Then we have the news today. The stock opens up today, and there you go. Again, support at 234. We push back to the upside, and then we reject at the prior day's close, right? So you reject at the prior day's close, you start to pull back in. Then you see the trade line, which is the 9 exponential moving average, which is this teal blue line you see on my screen, comes into play, and that starts acting as resistance, okay? That then pushes the stock through the low of the day. Once a stock pushes through the low of the day, you are also breaking below the prior day's low support level. So once that level breaks, you see an increase in volume, and that increase in volume confirms the break of the level, and that gives you the signal to say, okay, now it's time to go short. Now, when we're looking to go short, we say this level used to be support. Now on a bounce back into that level, we're going to look for that to become resistance, and then we're going to get short. So we wait it out. We broke the level. We drop. Then we start to bounce back, get into our level. Bang, there it is. Right there. We got back into my zone. Right there is where I got my fill. I took the trade short, right? I took the trade short right here. And members were going into the 232.50 strike 12:15 Friday's expiration put option, right around $3 a contract. Okay. Right around $3 a contract. Right there is where we got into the position. Then you can see we hold resistance. See how we hold resistance here at this level? You can see there's resistance and there's resistance. So you see now how this level that used to be an area of support, you see how now it's acting as resistance. And that's why we took the position here short, anticipating that. I didn't wait for that. I anticipated that was going to be resistance because of all these other signals. Right? Because of all these other signals and because the quality of this setup was very high. You had the catalyst today about the recalls in their vehicles. So we went after that, took the position, and you can see resistance. We rolled it over and the stock just got pulverized. So we then just start ripping profits off the table. It was first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, fourth take profit. And those contracts went all the way to $6.35 a share. From it was a contract, $6.35 a contract from the $3 entry, which is good for well over a 100% gain. You're looking at about 110% gain there on those put options. And that was today. That's a trade that was executed. If we were in that, by the time we got the triple digit gain, it took us maybe an hour. It wasn't even lunchtime yet. It wasn't even 12 o'clock yet in the afternoon. And we already were able to lock the entry and the exit off triple digit gains. I mean, it's just incredible trading. And then there was also another triple digit gain on Tesla today that was entered yesterday. Yes, it was a swing trade. That was Shai's trade. Another one of our moderators entered this put options yesterday for a swing. And she also was taking profits along with me when the stock was moving to the downside. And her contracts also went up 100% on the swing trade. So even if you entered this yesterday, or if you entered it today, or if you entered it today, doesn't matter. Either way, 100% gain on the Tesla trade. And that was my trade today on Tesla. And if anything I just said to you about the analysis or the setup, if that sounded like a foreign language to you, if it was over your head, don't worry about it, guys. I promise you're going to learn all of this stuff as a member of True Trading Group. This is what we teach. You'll start to identify these things. You'll start to see these levels. You'll start to see the entries. You'll see the probabilities of the setups, because that's what trading is. Trading is not predicting the future. It's not predicting what earnings are going to be or predicting what Jerome Powell is going to say. Trading is about identifying high probability setups and putting yourself on the right side of that probability over and over and over again with good risk management. That's trading. That's what you're going to learn as a member of True Trading Group. All right. So where do we go from here? Where do we go from here is the question. Way to go, Bruce. Bruce got in at $3.03 on those put options and got out at $6.30. Absolute monster. Bruce, congratulations, my man. All while filming today, right, Bruce? You were on set filming today and you were ripping profits off on Tesla. Am I right? Bruce is one of our members, guys, and awesome dude. Is in the film business. Is in the film business. So I'm pretty sure Bruce was on set today. Yes, he goes, yeah, yes, sir. Bruce was on set today. On set today, ripping off 100% bangers. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm saying, though. Like, you don't have to be sitting in front of a computer all day long. Just have your phone on you. Lean on the moderators to do the rest. While you learn, you go through the material, you get more confident, you start identifying setups on your own. And then you start going after setups on your own, where you don't need the moderator to send out a trade alert in order for you to take an execution, right? You see something and you believe in it. You're confident in your analysis because you're educated now. And you start, that's it. You don't even think about it. You just, boom, this is what I see. This is what I'm looking for. You have a very specific strategy. This is what I look for. I found it. I'm going after it. Directing a thriller while Mike was directing profits. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. I was directing profits. You were directing a thriller. That's awesome. That's awesome. So where do we go from here with this market? So like I said, guys, my target is this 473 area. Okay. And there's only 2 resistance levels left on the SPY. There's 473 and there's this 480. All right. Oh, we have to welcome Mary. Guys, Mary, welcome to the family. Everybody welcome Mary. Mary's the newest member of the group. That means we're down to 8 laptops. Okay. 8 laptops are now left. Remember, as long as you see one in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. They're free. We cover shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. You can use it to trade with, give it to your kid for school, or sell it on eBay, or give it away as a gift. I don't care. It's a Windows 11 laptop. Comes with Microsoft 365. It's an Asus brand laptop. You guys will get that. Be on the lookout for the welcome email after you join. In the welcome email will be instructions how to claim your laptop. And you guys have the double your money back guarantee. Don't forget that. So as we kind of zoom this in, I'll just show you where I'm getting these levels from on the SPY. All right. So here we have it. This is the level that I'm seeing. All right. So there's your level. All right. So there's your level. That's 473. It's a minor level. Not really a major level, but a minor level. And you guys will learn the difference between major and minor levels once you guys become members of True Trading Group. Oops, I didn't mean to delete the level, put it back. But then after that, after the 473, all you have is the all-time high, which is 480. All right, that's your all-time high. And that's it. That's all you have. Now, do I think we're going to make a new all-time high before the year is over? I don't think so. I think we're going to come pretty damn close. But I think we probably push up here into the mid 470s, and then we experience a little bit of a profit take. So I think you're going to get up into this level, and then you experience just a little bit of a profit take and a cool off. But I do think that you're going to get up and you're going to test these low 470s. Now, I know you might be saying, well, Mike, we already got to the low 470s. We got the 471 today. High of the day was 470.73, so just about 471. But I think there's a little bit more of that upside to test that level before you experience a little bit of a pullback. This has been one of the craziest runs that I've ever seen. And I've been doing this for a very long time. To see the market go up 60 points in a matter of 6 weeks is just absolutely incredible. You bottomed at 410 on October 29th or whatever it was. And by December 13th, you're at 470. That's a 60-point move in the SPY. That is such an incredible move in such a short period of time. It usually takes an entire year for a market to make that move. You moved, what is that? Let me do the math on it. I can't do the math on the top of my head. That's, oh my God. That's a 14.5% move. The SPY moved 14.5% in a month and a half. Let me put things into perspective for you. The average annual return of the S&P, annual return, is between 9 and 10%. We gained 14.5 in 6 weeks. It's single-handedly one of the most impressive rallies that I have ever seen in the market in such a short period of time with no pullbacks. You really had no pullbacks. I mean, you can see the chart, right? It doesn't take an experienced chart to realize that it's just been up, 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 up. There's been no pullback in the middle of this move. It's just been up, 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 up. One of the most powerful moves that I've ever seen. And I think there's a little bit more to go, and then maybe a little bit of profit taking. That's what I think. Anybody have any questions for me? Anybody have any questions for me? What will the Fed want from inflation to cut rates in March? What percent do you think they want to see? I'd say they got to be pretty close to 2.5%. I'd say close to 2.5%, and they'll cut. I don't think they're going to cut in March, but I do think they probably cut by May. I don't think they cut in March. But I think they cut in May. Yeah, Lewis, my RBLX trade did work out very well today. The RBLX did work out very well today. Support down there in front of 42. We said 42 to 42 and a half for Roblox. This was just another one of the trades, one of the trade ideas inside of the community today. And that was 42 to 42 and a half support. And it's right here. And I'll just show you on a 15-minute chart just so you guys can see this. You guys see, I'll just do it. You know what I'll do here. So you see that resistance right there, resistance right there, resistance right there. And then we gapped above it today. So we said, okay, when you gapped above it, watch for us to pull back into it. And then you can see double bottom. And then some of our members were able to capitalize on a nice little beautiful rally there in the afternoon off of that level. That was another nice one inside of the community today. So congratulations, Lewis, if you were able to snag that one, brother. Do you think we'll see more of a rotation out of Mag 7 into small caps? Yes, I do. You saw it today too. The Mag 7 really didn't participate all that much today in the rally. The rally today was fueled by the Dow. The Dow actually, it was financials, really had a huge move today. And the Dow made a new all-time high. The S&P did not, and the NASDAQ did not. So I actually do think you're going to see a little bit more rotation out of Mag 7 and into some other areas. We got to welcome Lewis. Lewis is the newest member of the group. That means we're down to 7 laptops. Everybody welcome Lewis, newest member of our group. 7 of those laptops remain. Guys, again, go to ttgoffer.com directly. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop down to the 1067. It's a 51% discount. You see a laptop, you're getting one. It's totally free. We cover the shipping. You got the double your money back guarantee, which I don't think that you need. But it's there for peace of mind, right? Our refund rate is less than 2.5%. So our retention rate is 78%. So that's why we're able to offer you guys double your money back, because of those numbers. You hold us accountable. It's how it should be. I don't think you need it, but it's there to give you peace of mind. Nice. Hassan says, Mike, a firm made the move today, took the profit, and I left. Thanks for the tip. My pleasure, man. Great job. Has your plan for 2024 changed with this meeting, and could the Fed temper this move by not cutting when it's expected? My plan for next year really has not changed. Listen, the market's doing what we expected it to do. I just thought you'd get a pullback first and then rally. So what we were talking about inside your trading group, and I've said many times on this YouTube channel, was that I think that November and December, the markets are going to be green, and I think we're going to rally into the end of the year. That's what we said on the YouTube channel. But once we rallied in November, which we were all over inside your trading group, we were all over that switch up for the long. And we called that long here on the YouTube channel and also in the community. Where I was wrong was that once we got to this resistance level, I thought that first we would have a pullback off this level, right? I thought we'd have a little bit of a pullback off this level and then break, and then give you that break through that area going into the end of the year. We didn't get that pullback. So that's the part that I was wrong about. We didn't get the pullback first, but we were anticipating a rally into the end of the year. And that rally into the end of the year is based on performance chase. You guys have to realize that 2023 was a very unique year in that everybody was expecting a recession. So you had a lot of hedge funds and institutions around the world were very defensively positioned. What does that mean? They either had a larger percentage of their assets in cash than they normally would, or they had a lot of hedges, shorts. They had a lot of short positions, or they were in put options to cover long positions, or whatever it is. Once the bonds bottomed and once yields peaked, which is what happened the very last week of October when the 10-year went to 5%, that marked the bottom of the bond market. That also marked the bottom of the equity market, because what ended up happening was you saw a massive short cover in the bond market, famously led by Bill Ackman. Bill Ackman was short the bonds, and he announced that he was covering his bond position, and that it ended up being the bottom of the bond market. Okay. So when that happened, you saw this mad dash of short covering. That short covering is why the SPY and the equity markets, which ended up following the bond market, that's why they had this vicious move higher in the very first week of November. Okay. That was a short covering rally. Then you had the CPI number come in, okay, with that the CPI number that looked good. It was a lighter than expected CPI number, and you got the huge gap up. That triggered FOMO, not amongst retail traders, but amongst institutions and professional traders. Retail traders are not the ones buying this market right now. They're waiting for dips. They're waiting for pullbacks. It is institutions and professionals that are buying this market because they are doing what is called chasing performance. Chasing performance happens when you have a fund or the industry is underperforming the overall market. Now, you have to think. So you have to think of it. If you're a hedge fund manager, okay, and you're underperforming the market, why would an investor give you their money? Because hedge funds charge fees and they keep a percentage of the profit. Typical is 2 and 20. That's typical hedge fund payout. So they charge a typical 2% fee just to manage your money. Win, lose, or draw, they're going to take 2% of your money. And then they keep 20% of the profit that is generated. That's typical hedge fund. So if someone could put their money in, just buy shares, just buy the SPY and make 25%, or give you their money and make 14% minus the 2% money management fee, why would they give you their money? As a hedge fund manager, you're supposed to do better than the overall market. Otherwise, the investor doesn't need you. The investor would just put their money in the overall market and just let the money go. You're supposed to do better than the market. So there's been a massive chase for performance, and institutions and hedge funds are they've covered short positions. They're taking hedges off the table. They're getting cash off the sideline and getting it into the market. And they're buying a lot of the names that are the ones that you see that are moving right now, so they can try to chase that performance and try to show a much better position at the end of the year when they have to face their investors than what they were in prior, because they were wrong about being defensively positioned because of a recession. That doesn't make them stupid. Everybody thought that there was going to be a recession. I mean, everybody, even the economists at the Fed thought there was going to be a recession this year. The economists at the Fed are some of the brightest economic minds in the entire country. And even the economists at the Fed thought that there was going to be a recession this year, and there wasn't. Some of the brightest hedge fund managers in the industry thought there was going to be a recession this year, and there wasn't. I thought there was going to be a recession this year, and there wasn't. Okay. And that caught a lot of the entire institutional industry off sides. And now you're seeing this massive chase for performance, taking the markets higher. And that's just market function and market dynamics, stuff that's just stuff you learn through experience. But that's what I see. That's what's been happening. And I still think there's a little bit more room to the upside. And that's it. And you finish the year as if 2022 never happened. You finish the year as if 2022 never happened. All right. Don for you and me both, man. You and me both. I love when you just talk about how it all works. Yeah, I think it's important to talk about that kind of stuff. It just gives you a better understanding. It gives you a better understanding, gives you a better feel for everything. And I just think the more you understand something, The more you understand something, I feel like the more confident you can be to actually act on it. So the more information that I can give you, the more you understand and comprehend a topic, the easier it is to pull the trigger and make decisions because you're confident in what you're thinking, right? It's like no different than taking a test. When you take a test, if you don't know the material, like you were, cramming the night before, you didn't study at all, you're unsure. You second guess your answers. You're like, I think it's C. Oh wait, no, maybe it's B, right? But when you know the material and your first thought is it's C, you answer C and you move on. You don't think about it. You don't second guess it. A lot of traders second guess their analysis because they're not confident in what they're thinking. So that education, having a better understanding is a good way to do that. All right, guys. So I'm not sure, members, I don't know what we're doing, if we're doing a giveaway or not. But that wraps up the live stream. I'm all done with the educational stuff. So if you guys are not interested in the membership, you guys can sign off. Members of True Trading Group, just go into the main chat. Adam's going to do the giveaway in the main chat. Okay. Members of True Trading Group, just go into the main chat. Adam's doing a giveaway just because he's in a good mood. Members, just go into the main chat. Adam's going to do a giveaway inside of the main chat. Okay. Adam's doing a giveaway inside the main chat. Members, go inside there. Those of you that are not members, stick around. I'll show you the platform so you guys can see what you're going to be getting access to when you guys do join. All right. Because again, it is an all-inclusive membership. So I want to show you guys everything you're going to be getting access to when you guys do become members of True Trading Group. So go to ttgoffer.com. Every single thing you see on that page, it is included in your membership. Use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, price drops down to $10.67. That is a 51% discount. Price goes up at midnight tonight. As long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. There's 7 of them left. Here's our chat room. I will show you our chat room. There it is. This is where our mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic while calling out trades. We got to welcome Carmencita. Newest member of the group. 6 spots left. 6 spots left. Okay. What about long term? When is it good to start positions? Oh, Jenny. Jenny, we bought positions in 2022 in True Trading Group. In True Trading Group, we bought positions here and here inside of True Trading Group. That's another topic for another time. But Carmencita, welcome to the family. So that's the chat room. You got the mobile app, guys, as well. All right, the mobile app will let you guys see the screen share, listen to the audio commentary, get the real-time push notifications when the mods enter and exit trades. You get 2 small private study groups a year to speed up your learning curve. You're going to get Benziga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data and insider trading information. TradingView's premium charting software is included. The trade idea scanners on our platform for you guys to use. You get a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. Our own proprietary scanner to let you create custom scans. There's dark pool data, unusual options activity. Dark pool data, unusual option activity, options flow, short data. That's all included. You get a trading journal to track your trading for you. A social sentiment scanner will tell you what's being talked about most on social media. You get analyst ratings and on stock profile tool on any stock you're interested in. You get a watch list from the mods every day with detailed entry and exit points. You have all the courses, simplified version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, chart psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it. You guys have access to all of it. It's a video library with 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. You can actually start attending these workshops live and become a full-time member. Now, listen, I can't guarantee you guys will be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you join, go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group, and you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the 1067 at least one time during your membership, we'll give you back $2,134. The refund policy is right there on our website in black and white. Go read it. Yes, it's real. Go to ttgoffer.com. The price will say $22.12. You must manually enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, and the price drops all the way down to $10.67. Check out, you're good to go. You see a laptop, you're getting one. Simple as that. We cover the shipping, don't forget. You have any questions at all, text us, 1-888-306-8788. 83. Phone number's right down there on the bottom of your screen. Members, head on into main chat. Adam's doing the giveaway in main chat. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. If you have not done so already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys all in chat.